Good evening, students. Tonight is Wednesday, August 5th, 2020. Today is Wednesday, August 5th, 2020. We have two good stories tonight that we're going to read. The first story is called My Class. My Class, mi clase. And we're going to be using words that have long vowel sounds. Long vowel sounds. We know the vowels are A, E, I, O, and U. There's 5 vowels, and they have different sounds, short sounds and long sounds. Tonight, when we use words with A, E, I, O, U, we will pay attention to the long vowel sounds. Long vowel sounds. And that's what we will do in this story called My Class. Then we have another story that we're going to read about when you go to a cafe or a restaurant and you order something to eat. You order from a menu. So the story will be about how to order from a menu. So we'll practice those kinds of words, and we'll end with practicing when you add an S or an ES to the end of a sentence. So we have a lot to do tonight. Let's go ahead and review the lesson that we already did. Here we go. English lesson for August 5th, 2020, Level 2 class. As always, we will practice using the calendar, talk about the month of August. We will read about my class, and we will focus on words with long vowel sounds. Long vowel sounds. A, E, I, O, U. Let me say I again. I. A, E, I, O, U. We will also then answer our questions about the story My Class. Answer questions about the story My Class. We will practice ordering food from a menu and practice adding the letter S or the letters ES to words. Sometimes we add an S and sometimes we add an ES. S or ES. Okay, here we go. What we do in English class: we listen, we speak, we read, R-E-A-D, we write, W-R-I-T-E. Even though there's a W, we don't say the W. This word is write. Escribir, write, W-R-I-T-E. We spell, and then we always take a look at our Moby Max lessons. Here's our calendar. Here's our calendar for August. We know today is Wednesday, August 5th, 2020. Today is Wednesday, August 5th, 2020. Our sentences are: today is Wednesday, August 5th, 2020. Tomorrow is Thursday, August 6th, 2020. Yesterday was Tuesday, August 4th, 2020. Okay. Today is Wednesday. Tomorrow is Thursday. Today is Wednesday. Yesterday was Tuesday. Okay, let's read the words for our story. Now, these are the letters A, E, I, O, U. And sometimes Y is a vowel. And when it's a long sound, it makes the sound I. So if you see a Y in a word, sometimes it makes the E sound, but sometimes it makes the I sound. And sometimes it makes the Y sound. But for tonight, we're going to think about and practice letters that are vowels that have long sounds. The letter A, the short sound for A is A, but when we have a line over it, like this, it means it's the long A, and that sound is A. The short sound for letter E is Eh, but when we have the line over E, it's E. The long sound for I is I. Having trouble saying I. I. The long sound for the letter O is O. The long sound for the letter U is U. And the long sound for the letter Y is I. So let's look at this. This word is paper. Paper. There's the paper. The A is long. Paper. Paper. And you see in this column, it has the long symbol, the dash over the A to show you paper has got the long A sound. This word is we, and the E makes the E sound. This word is I, and in this word I, the letter I makes the I sound. It has the long I over it, the long dash, which is a symbol for long sound. This word is go. When we see the dash for the long vowel sound, go, we know that the O makes the O sound in go. This word is music. The letter U makes the oo sound in music. This is my, M-Y, my car. In this word, my, the letter Y makes the long sound I, my. And this is York for York Street. So in the word my, the letter Y makes the I sound. But in the letter, or in the word York, like York Street, the story we had last week, the letter Y makes the Y. So sometimes Y makes the Y sound, sometimes it makes the I sound, and sometimes it makes the E sound, but we won't think about that tonight. Okay, here's our story. My class. And we know these words already, but I'll say them just for a quick practice. But we know these words. Jason, David, Carla, Lopez, class, snack, study, listen, write, and sentence. So let's read the story. We already read it tonight. Here's the picture of people coming out of a class. They have books. They have books, and you can see they're coming out of a building or a class. I am Jason Hunt. I work at a market on River Street. I go to class after work. I have some paper. The paper is for my class. After work, I will pick up my friend David Miller. He works at a factory on York Street. I will pick up David at the factory. We will go to class in my car. Carla Lopez works at a music shop on York Street. We will pick up Carla at the music shop. She will go to class with us. We will study hard in class. We will study the lesson. We will write on the paper. We will write sentences. We will write letters to friends. Ms. Smith will help us write sentences. She will help us write letters. After class, Carla, David, and I will go for a snack. We will go to Fran's snack shop. It is on York Street. We can get a quick snack at Fran's. We can listen to music. We can have a snack and listen to music. From the snack shop, we will go to Garden Street. Carla lives on Garden Street. Then David and I will go to First Street. David lives at 917 First Street. We can also say 917 First Street. I live at 942 First Street. We can also say 942 First Street. I work hard, I study hard, but I have fun. So we know most of those words, and we practice tonight for fluency. Fluidez. To make our reading sound almost like music. We answered these questions already in class, so I'm going to go to the next part of our lesson, reading for living. Reading for living. This word is ham. This word is hamburger. This word is sandwich. This word is drink. This word is milk. This word is aisle. Aisle, remember, is a contraction. That means I will, or I'll, I will. Salad and coffee. Salad and coffee. Here's the picture of David and his friends at the Fran's snack shop. They're at the snack shop and they're looking at menus. They have menus in their hands to decide what to order. So we have Fran, who owns the snack shop, right? We have David. We have Carla. And we also have, oops, I'm sorry. We have, let me start. We have Jason, David, and Carla. Jason, David, and Carla. And that's Fran. Got to get those names straight. Jason, Carla, and David were in Fran's snack shop. Fran hurried to them. Fran asked, "What will you have?" Jason said, "I'll have a ham sandwich." Carla said, "I'll have an egg salad sandwich." David said, "I'll have a hamburger." Fran asked Jason, "What will you have to drink?" Jason said, "I'll have a glass of milk." Fran asked Carla, "What will you have to drink?" Carla said, "I'll have a cup of coffee." Fran asked David, "What will you have to drink?" David said, "I'll have a glass of milk." So they went to Fran's snack shop and they ordered their food. Then we practiced the menu tonight. We'll just go over a little bit of the menu. Remember that this word is bill. That is what you pay. You pay your bill after you eat. Cost, how much does it cost? This symbol is a cent sign, 1 cent, 2 cents, 3 cents. This symbol is a dollar sign. When we see 75 cents, that cent sign, the word for that is 75 cents. When we see 1.00 with a dollar sign, we know that is $1. And this is $3.50. That's how we write it with numbers, or we can write the words $3.50. Sandwiches. Sandwiches. A ham sandwich is $4.50. An egg salad sandwich is $3.50. A hamburger is $5.25. So we can pick 3 sandwiches from the menu, or we can have drinks. Milk is $1. Coffee is 75 cents. Coffee is 75 cents. Jason got a ham sandwich. The ham sandwich cost what? So you would write $4.50. Ham sandwich, $4.50. Jason got a glass of milk. The milk cost what? Let's look at the milk. It's a drink. There's milk. It cost $1. The milk cost $1. So you would write $1 there. And if we add the ham sandwich and the milk, his bill was $5.50. He owed $5.50. We'll do one more. Carla got an egg salad sandwich. The egg salad sandwich cost what? How much is the egg salad sandwich? That's right, $3.50. $3.50. Oops. Carla got a cup of coffee. The coffee cost what? How much did the coffee cost? 75 cents. The coffee cost 75 cents. So when we add the egg salad sandwich, which was $3.50, plus the coffee, which is 75 cents, her bill was $4.25. So that was good practice tonight, and you can finish that up on your own. And then we practiced when we add an S to the end of a word, or when we add an ES. We talked about plurals. and we did our lesson on plurals. I have 1 egg, but I have 2 eggs. I have 1 dish, but I have 2 dishes. So because D-I-S-H ends with that H, we have to add ES to that word. I have 2 glasses, we added ES to that word. I have 2 cars, we only added an S to cars, C-A-R-S. I have 2 drinks. If I have 2 drinks, I add the letter S, not ES. D-R-I-N-K-S. So in our examples for tonight, when the word ended in an S, like glass, or class, or dress, we added ES to make it plural. When a word ended in an H, like dish or sandwich, we added ES to make it plural. And also the word box. To make box plural, we have to add the ES. So we practiced those words tonight. And you wrote some sentences. And that's what we did for review. And I thought everyone did quite well. So that was a good lesson about my class and taking classes after work, and also going to Fran's snack shop and ordering from a menu and getting a bill. So that's it. We're done, and I will see you all next Monday night. Summer is going very fast. I hope you have a good evening. See you later. Bye-bye.